What is going on, everyone? It is Laugh-olotl, and today we are going to be making NPCs are becoming smarter in Scratch. Well, I'm using Turbo Warp because Turbo Warp's better than Scratch. But, yeah, I could show you how Turbo Warp works, but, it's just a remake of Scratch, and Scratch is a way to make your own games and animations and music. So we're gonna be making a game similar to NPCs Are Becoming Smart, which is basically a game with multiple endings. So you might have actually played the my game Simon Protocol if you've seen the post, but I'll put the link in the description if you want to play it. But for now, the first thing we need to do is make our player. Wow, Turbo Warp is extremely advanced. We got the beautiful backpack. Okay. So first, I am going to kind of just wing up a character. Just give me a second. Okay, boom, we have our character. Yeah, it looks kind of small on screen. Well, it's supposed to be small because we are making like a tiny big world. Okay, so now that we have our player, you could also put an invisible box around it just to make all the glitches disappear. Let's just show you. Like if I remove this box, it looks like that. But if I add the box, beautiful. So this will be our regular base of our character. This will be used to help us make stuff. So for this next thing, we are going to make we're gonna make his idol. We're gonna make his idol and walking pose. We're not gonna make a jumping pose because this is gonna be a 2D basic game. No, 2D open world game, kind of like The Legend of Zelda. Alright, this is a good idol. You could also add extra features if you like. Like you could add crouching or or attacks. But like in this one we're just having a basic walk and run. Or actually, what I like doing with my characters is I like giving their walk animations a little. I like making their walk animations like that, as you can see on the little screen over here. It looks cool. So yeah, I like making my stuff like that. But now that we have our costumes, it is time for the piece de resistance. Now, we are going to do some pretty advanced. We're not actually going to add some movement code to him, but what we are going to do is add some costume code. Forever. So when green flag clicked, forever. And just so you know, this green flag will be here for now until we make like a title screen for our game. Yeah, it's gonna be a multiple parter. Alright, so when green flag clicked, forever. If we're gonna need we should get an if else for this. So if key, you could do like WASD or arrow keys. So basically, if I'm doing okay, so we're actually going to be using the ifs because yeah, it's going to take a while. So we're going to have 5 ifs. So key. I'm doing WASD. You could do arrow keys. W A S Well, actually, hold up. I have an idea. We'll make this an if else and do that. We'll make everything an if else. Put this in the else, put this in the else, and then put this in the else, and then I don't want to make this into an else. Said that. Alright. So basically what we're gonna do is make our walk. So oops, wait, I forgot to name it. Okay. So switch costume to walk, 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 walk. Else no. Else we will switch it to idle. So now if we start the project, if I press W or D, I walk. But we want that smooth little walk animation like this. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we are going to get 0.1. Now we're actually going to remove these. Now walk and then idle. Wait, 0.1 seconds. Now in the future we are going to add some like idle animation, but for now this is what the code looks like. Wow, this is insane. But now if we press D, we're walking. Well, not yet, because we actually still need to make our world. So first let's name the sprite player. Now we are going to go to paint. And we are going to make the world of our game. We're actually basically there's an easy way I like doing this. So first basically you just make your world. So let me just make my world real fast. Okay, we finished the map and all I made was a little forest or a big forest. But you have to make sure that your your items on your map are small because we want this size to be 1,000. Actually, what if we make it 500? No, hold up, wait. So there's a trick. If we go to a regular costume, put 500. Now we could go here, and boom. Okay, wait, 500 is actually good. Put this in the middle. So now we have to put this in the back. Now, I basically just made a little forest for the game. For now. We are going to make a new map at one point, but like for now, we can't really do anything. Okay, so we are going to do some code. When green flag click forever or basically if, and yeah, I'm still using WSD. If W key is pressed, then we are going to change Y by -5. But also we'll go 0, 0 at the beginning. Let's see how this looks. Yo, okay, we got that working. Alright, when key A is pressed, we are going to change X by -5. Will that work? Okay, wait, no. We need to do the same for, alright, we just gotta do that. Alright, and then S. Change Y by 5. And A, -5. Okay. Oh, who? Whoosy daisy. Oopsies. So now that we got our code, now we should be able to walk around in the world. Yo, we actually are walking around in this forest. Where are the size of the trees? Okay, so now we are going. Yeah, I put a lot of trees here. We are actually going to do a bit more code to make this more lively because we moonwalk in here. Okay, so we are going to, for A, we are going to point in direct. If A is pressed, we'll point in direction -90. But if it's A, we'll point in direction 90. Oh no, if it's D, point direction 90. Okay. Alright. Whoopsies, hold up. You might think that this is normal, but you just need to do what? It's just a quick fix. You gotta go to this direction icon here and then press this choice right here. The one that says left, right. And now when we begin. Oh my goodness! It's your own little RPG. Yo! So we are going to add some more features to our little game. And remember, this is going to be a remake of NPCs Are Becoming Smart. But all we did was make the map. We still got to add endings, actual NPCs, and actual gameplay. So if you enjoyed this, we'll do that in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing for more content like this. And should I actually make more videos on NPCs Are Becoming Smart? Not like the one where my computer lagged and my audio went missing. Well, if you want me to do some more NPCs Are Becoming Smarter, comment down below if I should do it or not. Welp, peace!